My coworkers claim to be slime experts, so we're gonna put that to the test. I'm gonna give you each 5 slimes and you're gonna have to guess what they are blindfolded. Put on your blindfolds. Each slime is gonna get increasingly difficult and the last one is gonna be nearly impossible. Now let's start with round 1. Our first slime is Honey Toast DIY clay kit, so this one's gonna be super easy because it's a thick and glossy with the clay on top. They're gonna be able to guess that this is the shape of toast. Come on, that's gonna be so simple. In front of each of you, I placed the same slime. When I say go, you can begin to feel it, but you can't guess until I say so. Okay, go. Can't push the button. We just started. What are you doing?
I already know which one this is.
This is a classic. Come on, guys.
What is the big thing on top?
What do you mean, what's the big thing on top? That's the clay.
Spoilers.
Aaron, you're hovering that hand in front of there.
I know the smell.
How we can smell. I forgot about the smell.
Anna is suspiciously quiet.
I know this slime.
It's like a sweet smell. What is that?
I knew it the second I touched it. I knew it the second I smelled it.
I think I have an idea.
All right, guess. Aaron, pick the buzzer first. What is your guess?
This is Honey Toast Clay Kit.
That's right. And you get 1 point.
Yeah! Yes!
There's one thing that I forgot to mention, that if you win a round, you get an advantage for the next round. So Aaron, your advantage is that you're gonna get a 5-second head start.
Nice. All right. You're gonna win. Easy.
She doesn't need that.
I think that's borderline unfair for each of you. Let's move on to round 2.
I know every smell, every shape of every charm. It's all in the library of my mind.
We are in between rounds right now, and I'm gonna actually troll them a little bit because I'm gonna move the buzzers ever so slightly so they can't find it right away. The buttons are so far away. Oh yeah, I did a good job. For round 2, we've got Baby Exel, which is a snowfish slime, and it's one of our best sellers in the shop. They're gonna be able to guess this one super easily as well. The slimes are in front of you. Aaron, you can start touching your slime right now.
Oh, that's so unfair. Why does she get an advantage?
Because she won.
I don't like these rules. Fresh smell.
All right, you guys can touch it now.
It's a snow fizz. Where is my slime? I got it.
It's right in front of you.
You're just messing with me.
Wait, what is this?
How do you not know what that is?
It's like spiky.
I'm ready. Are you serious, Dan?
Oh, wait a minute.
The most iconic thing at Peachybbies, he doesn't even know what it feels like.
Wait a minute, what is this?
Where's that buzzer? Where's that buzzer?
Am I allowed to feel for the buzzer before time?
All right, you guys can guess now. Aaron, hit her button first.
I don't even have a buzzer.
Yeah, you do. Go find it. It's on the table. I wouldn't move it off the table. You were literally so close. Keep going.
This is a really big table.
There you go.
That's not fair.
Aaron, what is your guess?
This is the famous Peachybbies baby axolotl.
That's another point. You get 2 points.
Oh my gosh.
Dan, did you even know what it was?
I did. I was gonna say baby axolotl.
What were you gonna say, Anna?
Baby axolotl, but I didn't have a buzzer. Yeah, we are slime experts.
Aaron's on a 2-win streak, so let's see if she can keep it up in round 3.
I knew that one. Clay kits are easy. Everything's gonna get harder from here.
Round 3 is 24 Karat Cubes. Now this is our first jelly cube slime that we're gonna throw at them, and I think this is gonna be really challenging because since they can't see the color, it's just gonna feel like every one of our jelly cubes that we sell in the shop. For round 3, the 2 losers are gonna have to put their hands in ice for 10 seconds before touching their slime. So Dan and Anna, put your hands in the ice.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's so cold. Oh no.
All right, you guys got 5 more seconds.
My hands are already
3,
numb.
2, 1. Begin touching your slime.
Where is it?
It's in front of the bowl.
Where's my slime? Oh. Can't really feel the slime. It's all wet. What does it smell like? Yes, nice light vanilla. I know this smell. I've smelled this before. I know this texture.
Do you?
It just feels sticky to me.
Yo, what if it's a cloud dough?
This is a jelly cube. A vanilla scented jelly
Guys,
cube.
that one is a cloud dough. I don't know what you're talking about.
Christian seems like he doesn't know his slimes very well.
What are you talking about? It is a cloud dough.
It doesn't have charms on it.
I only have a couple senses to work with here, and my hearing is interrupting me, so could you just let me process this for a sec?
I know this one. Yeah, you do.
You can begin guessing now if you want. All right, Dan, you get to guess first. What is your guess?
What jelly cubes do we have in the shop? The gold cube one?
What's the name of it?
Karat gold cube slime?
Full legal government
That
name.
is not the full name. You
24
can't just
karat gold cube slime.
That's pretty close. I feel like that's close enough.
Well, I know that is the slime, but he technically guessed gold cube slime.
I'm a cameraman, all right? You gotta give me some credit here.
You know what? Fine.
You know what I mean, though.
I'm gonna pull an audible, and I'm gonna say that, Dan, you do get a point.
Let's go.
Dan, because you won round 3, you're actually gonna get the biggest advantage of all during this competition. So take off your blindfold and come with me.
Let's go.
Man, I'm gonna lose.
Yo, is a Dan comeback in the future?
It's on the cards, man. It's on the cards. I just had to look at peachybbies.com beforehand to memorize a couple names, and now we're here.
Dan, your advantage for this round is that you're gonna get to swap out the charm for your opponent's slime.
Ooh, a little bit of trickery,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah. So you get to go to Charmville and find any charm you want to swap out.
Hopefully I don't pick something that's too similar to the actual slime theme.
You actually don't know what the slime is gonna be, so you could pick the charm that is gonna be swapped out.
Okay, I'm gonna have to pick a wild charm then. There's a secret back alley in Charmville that has charms. They're just on storage in case we need them for new slimes, but they're never used in any of our slimes that we sell. I'm gonna go back there and try to find the most outlandishly insane slime charm to put in their slime to confuse them. These watermelon chunks, look at them, they're huge. They're gonna barely fit in the slime container. That's gonna be perfect. They're gonna be like, what is this? They're gonna know what it is, but it's not gonna relate to the slime at all, and it might just confuse them. That's perfect.
I don't think we have made a slime that uses that charm, period.
That's exactly what I want.
And give me the charm, put back your blindfold on, and I'll see you back on the couch.
All right, will do.
Round 4 is Gamer Fluff, and this is our first Cloud Dough slime. I think they're gonna have a challenge guessing this one because we have so many Cloud Doughs in the shop. It's time to now swap out the charms. I think Dan made a great choice because I think this one, if you were just feeling it, closing your eyes, you'd be able to guess it. His choice is gonna be really challenging. Let's put him in there. Of course, Dan's is completely untouched, so let's start round 4. Round 4 starts right now.
What? Watermelon. Why is this watermelon?
I don't know, that was what Dan picked.
Doesn't smell like watermelon. This is not our watermelon slime. This is a Cloud Dough, which makes no sense.
That is the correct texture, I will give you that.
You switched out the charm, didn't you?
Wait, I think I know it.
No, you don't.
The charm gives it away.
Oh, does it? That would be nice.
All right, you can guess now.
No. I have no idea which one this is.
Aaron hit the buzzer just before Dan, so Aaron, what is your guess?
Obviously there are watermelon charms on it. We have to rule that is not supposed to be on the slime because we don't have a single watermelon slime in the shop right now. There are stars and there are squares. It is Gamer Fluff.
That is correct.
Yeah. That's insane.
What? How did you know that?
There are stars and the little squares are the little Game Boys. Yeah, you really paid attention to the squares.
I am speechless. I genuinely thought that you were not gonna guess that slime.
No, I'm really impressed.
That's crazy.
She cheated.
You the one that had the advantage. What are you talking about? So at the end of round 4, Anna has 0 points, Dan has 1 point, and Aaron has 3 points. Now to make it interesting, the last slime is gonna be worth 3 points because it is that impossible to guess. So let's move on to round 5.
Be honest, did you look?
No, I'll pinky promise.
Our final slime is Hello Hollow, which barely has any scent. It has no charm, so I think it's gonna be almost impossible to guess this slime because it just feels like a normal clear slime. So for our final round, I picked an incredibly difficult slime. I don't think any of you are even gonna guess it right. Good luck, everybody, and let's start right now.
Okay.
What are your thoughts?
Ooh, okay, so it doesn't have any like charms?
Yeah, no charms.
No charms in this one.
I think I know which one it could be.
It's gooey.
What do you mean you know which one it could be?
There is only one slime in the shop that is either a thick and glossy or a clear slime that doesn't have a strong scent and doesn't have charms.
I knew this was gonna happen.
Doesn't have any sprinkles.
It's sticky. I think it's clear.
It's a jelly slime.
100% clear slime.
Or an icy slime. Or a butter slime, actually.
I got this in the bag. I know this one. I bet you do. I think I might know it.
How am I supposed to know this one? That was for sure me. That had to be me.
Dan picked his buzzer first. So Dan, what is your guess?
I got it. Give him a timer. He's taking too long. 5, 9, 4, 8,
Is
3,
it
2.
hollow one? Hello Hollow?
No!
Is that it? Is that it?
That's it!
Wait, really?
Yeah!
Are you kidding me? He doesn't even know the slime.
I actually won.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Let's go. Wait, I'm the expert. I'm a slime expert. How does that feel,
Anna,
Aaron?
was that what you were gonna guess?
Yes.
Yeah. Anna, you were so close to hitting the buzzer like before Dan.
This game is rigged.
So Dan, you're our winner, so I guess you're the #1 slime expert at Peachybbies.
Yes,
so
I am.
We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye, y'all.
Yay. What the?
Yeah.